How to lose weight by drinking a delicious mixture of apple and cucumber. Are you tired of following restrictive diets to try to lose weight? How about trying a delicious and effective recipe to help you lose weight? In this video, I'll teach you how to make an apple and cucumber drink that can help burn fat from your body. Drink apple with cucumber and feel the difference. The drink I'm going to teach you to make is very simple and easy. It consists of a mixture of apple, cucumber, lemon, and mint, which when combined, have the power to aid in weight loss. So, let's get to the ingredients. 1 peeled apple, cut into small slices. 1 cucumber with skin, cut into small slices. 1 lemon. 1 cup of water. Mint leaves. Instructions. Peel and cut the apple into small slices. Cut the cucumber into small slices. Extract the juice from the lemon. Cut the lemon peel into slices and place it in a pot with water. Bring to a boil for 10 minutes. Then, strain with a sieve. Put all the ingredients, including the boiled lemon peel, in a blender and blend until smooth. Strain the mixture with a sieve. Drink a cup of the mixture daily before breakfast, preferably on an empty stomach. Benefits of apple and cucumber drink. The apple is rich in fiber and antioxidants and has a low-calorie content, which helps with weight loss. Cucumber, on the other hand, is a diuretic food that helps eliminate excess fluids from the body. Lemon, in turn, increases the rate of fat burning in the body, in addition to being rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system. And the mint gives a refreshing taste to the drink, in addition to aiding in digestion. In addition, drinking the mixture on an empty stomach makes the drink act more quickly in the body, burning excess fat and preventing the accumulation of fat in the body. If you drink the mixture daily for 15 days, you can get a good result in the first week of use and have a flat and firm belly. Conclusion: losing weight doesn't have to be a difficult and boring task. With this recipe for apple and cucumber drink, you can lose weight in a healthy and delicious way. In addition, it's important to follow an effective diet and do some exercise regularly to add an additional benefit to weight loss. So, try this recipe and start feeling the difference in your body. Did you like our tip? Help us grow by giving a like and subscribing. See you in the next video.